Let's learn to sew. You're going to need some all-purpose scissors. These are the scissors that you'll use whenever you're cutting out a pattern or paper. Fabric scissors. These are a pair of Ginger shears. They have a bent edge, and that bent edge allows them to easily glide along the table as they cut your fabric.
You'll need some sewing pins. I like sewing pins that are long and have a ball head. It makes them easy to see and to grab. You'll also need a pin cushion. I use a magnetic pin cushion. You'll need a seam ripper or a stitch remover. And you'll notice that there's a little U here in this seam ripper. That U is very sharp and allows you to cut through any unwanted stitches. Now, these are pinking shears, and although they're not necessary to complete this course, you will find them useful to add to your sewing toolbox. You'll notice that instead of a smooth blade, it has little notches in the blade. Whenever you cut your seam or the edge of your fabric, these notches actually cut into the fabric. Having a notched edge prevents any raveling or fraying. You'll need something to mark your fabric with, and you'll notice that fabric pins come in a variety of different colors and styles. You'll find chalk, pens, and pencils. You just want to make sure that whatever you choose is made for writing on fabric and that you test it on a scrap piece of fabric before you actually start marking your project. You'll need a seam gauge, which is a ruler that has a plastic slide on it. This allows you to accurately mark things such as your hem and button placement. You'll need a high-quality thread, such as Gutermann or Mettler. You'll want to make sure that your thread blends into your fabric easily. You'll need a cloth or a plastic tape measure, and you'll also need some fabric. The fabric requirements will be listed in the printed section of your supply list.
Thanks for watching Cute Info.